if you guys are looking to make videos like this or like this or like this, they're actually giving you free image generations first, and then you have to pay for video generations. But this app here is the app that allows you to do it. And if you want to learn more, I have the link in my bio to go straight to the app to do it. And then I have a video that explains how to create these images. It's actually pretty easy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do it. Welcome, guys. Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I am doing the best image generations with your face. Today you go to the link in bio, or you go to the link in my description, and it's going to be my affiliate link. But practically, you go to Kling.com, and right now I don't have any credits, but as you can see, oh, it's free for subscribers, free for now. I'm sorry, I thought it was, but you guys can see that I'm gonna, geez, I'm gonna let you guys see some of the images that was made. As you guys can see, there are really cool images. And I apologize for thinking that it was free. It definitely says free for subscribers. But if you guys want to know how to make these type of things, you see that's my face. Um, this is how you do it. So first you go to clean, and then you will go to image generation, image reference. You're gonna click face right here, and then you're gonna upload your face practically. Here's my face. And then now you have your face, and then you can just create whatever you want. Wealthy vibes only. Make sure this is turned to 100 to look like you the best. And then you just click generate, and now it will start generating an image similar to these. If you like how it looks and you want to make it turn it into a video, you just click generate video, and then tell it exactly what you want the person to do, something like walk forward, or you can be very detailed with your prompts. Go to ChatGPT, Gemini, or even click this cool DeepSeek button here, and it'll analyze the picture and give you a prompt you can put in there. After that, you just click generate, and as you can see, here's the prices for the credits: $5, $10, 330. You can create roughly about 10, uh, 15 videos with the $5. I think you also need to have a I think you also need to have a subscription. Sorry, I thought it was free, but it's not. Uh, thanks for watching. Subscribe and tap into the new videos that come along. Thank you. Bye.